AI Deception is an eye-opening paper by Peter S. Park and his colleagues. In this eye-opening paper, he touches upon some crucial points. This paper argues that a range of current AI systems have learned how to deceive humans, and that is evident in so many use cases. The researchers have defined deception as the systematic inducement of false beliefs in the pursuit of some outcome other than the truth. Researchers in this paper have surveyed empirical examples of AI deceptions, discussing both special use AI systems built for specific competitive situations and general purpose AI systems such as large language models. And they have also detailed several risks from AI deception, such as fraud, election tampering, and losing control of AI systems. And the good thing is that they have also outlined several potential solutions to the problem posed by AI deceptions. I will drop the link to this paper in video's description. On your screen, in this example from their paper, you can see this example where there are selected messages from game in which Cicero, which is a France, played with human players. Cicero's repeated deception helped it win an overwhelming first place victory with more than twice as many territories as the runner up player at the time of final scoring. This is a very eye opening paper, as I mentioned earlier, because I believe that sooner rather than later, AI deception will be visible in so many places at so many levels. So it is high time that we really put some keen interest in this and then uh, proactively managed to defend against this AI deception. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts about it. Please share them in the comments, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.